Hey traders, Todd Gordon here with TradingAnalysis.com. This is CNBC's Trading Nation. Traders, let's take a look at FANG, Facebook, Apple, Netflix. You could include NVIDIA in there, Google. And then also I want to compare it to the NASDAQ. We are going to circle back. We're going to wind up short Google. But let me just set up the story here for you. First thing, there's Google. And what I'd like you to look at here is that 200-day moving average has been trying to hold the market. It's like the life preserver trying to hold above support here, just above that 1,000 level. I think we might be set for a breakdown. So let me take you out to the Qs. And first thing you'll notice is the NASDAQ here is well above that 200-day moving average. So the overall Qs are supported, okay? Let's go over to Facebook, and you're going to see a much weaker stock compared to the Qs. See, we've broken below that 200-day moving average. We're coming back, retesting as resistance. I thought about shorting Facebook. Facebook, I think, is a viable short here, especially as we have come back to retest this resistance level into the 175. I do think that is a high-value short opportunity to at least retest those 150 lows. From there, let's take a look at Amazon, which looks pretty solid here. Certainly not interested in shorting Amazon because well above that 200-day moving average, a lot of relative strength. AAPL, Apple, held the 200-day moving average, certainly not as strong as Amazon. Not a lot of interest being short Apple. I talked about him on Trading Nation Live on Power Lunch yesterday. That looks pretty solid. If the market were to stabilize, we should be able to move on up. Take a look at Netflix. Netflix well above the 200-day moving average. One of my picks in the 2018 CNBC stock draft. No interest in being short there. FANG. Let's also take a look and search back or circle back to Google, which, as you can see, just holding on to that 200-day moving average. So as this overall market is really consolidating, I think we might be setting up for a move lower. You want to be short weak stocks when the overall indexes look to be heading lower. So I think finally we're going to pierce through that 1,000 level. So the trade we're going to do here is we're going to go out to the May monthlies. I don't think we need that much time. 16 days, not a lot of time. I'm going to go ahead and buy a put spread below that $1,000 level. So we're going to be buying the 980 put, selling the 970 put. Altogether, guys, that $10 spread is only going to cost about $1.50 depending on where you're filled. So we're going to risk $145 on the spread to potentially make $855. Again, that will vary depending on where you're filled when you're seeing this video. So certainly a high reward to risk ratio. We're only giving this just over 2 weeks to break below that 1,000 level, but I feel like the market is so tight here. This NASDAQ is so tight that a point of reckoning is coming. Resolution of this trend needs to happen. And I'm starting to think that we move down. So let's go ahead, put this trade on position size appropriately. I will risk half of this premium that I'm going to pay. So the $145 per option spread, I'm going to risk half of that, about $72, give or take. So that's going to be your stop loss. So position size accordingly. For CNBC's Trading Nation, I'm Todd Gordon. Be sure to position size appropriately such that if that 72 cents that we're risking on this trade fits in your overall risk profile in your trading account in your portfolio, something I stress a lot with my subscribers over at my business, TradingAnalysis.com. Be sure to check that out. Also, be sure to check out our Twitter account at Trading Nation for updates to all the market positions our traders are watching. Good luck, guys, and we'll see you on the next video update.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.